I survived the struggle of burning belly fat while juggling a busy life. I spent countless hours researching and testing various exercises to find what truly works. Through trial and error, I saved myself from countless setbacks by sticking to a structured morning and night routine that I built from scratch. Each morning, I kick-started my day with effective belly fat burning exercises. My routine included planks, Russian twists, and mountain climbers, each targeting the core and enhancing overall strength. At night, I focused on a quick yet powerful set of bicycle crunches and side planks to keep the momentum going. The consistency was tough at first, but I got through it by reminding myself of my goals and progress. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews, plus enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. The results were incredible. Not only did I notice a significant reduction in belly fat, but I also felt stronger and more confident. The routine transformed my body and improved my mental well-being. If you're facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in description. Tracking my progress was key to staying motivated. I kept a journal of my workouts and results, which helped me stay consistent and celebrate every small victory. If you're looking to boost your fitness, the Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. Stay committed, track your progress, and embrace each step of your journey. The transformation is worth every effort, and you can achieve your fitness goals too.